What's up YouTube? This your girl Niqua J, and I'm back with my first official tutorial video on feeding braids. Now I already did this braid, so I got that out the way. So I'm just going to show you how to do two, because I'm not going to do her whole head. Now for fresh quality braids, it's best to use edge wax or beeswax, and I'm telling you, it will make a big difference. Now with feeding braids, you want to separate your hair. Today I'm using 6 pieces of hair. And if you're using 6 pieces or more, I'm going to say 6. No, I'm going to say 8 pieces of hair. You want to use that same amount of hair for each and every braid. Because you don't want one braid looking bigger than the other, or big or smaller than the other. You just don't want no uneven looking braids. So let's get started. Okay, so you want to start all the way up here. And you want to braid her down just enough, far enough to where you feel comfortable to start adding the braiding hair. So I'm just going to braid it down enough. Okay, so let's start adding the hair. So when you add the hair, you're going to add it this finger with the ring fingers on. The ring is on this finger. You want to hold it, take it through this finger, hold it down, and then bring it under your pointy finger. Then you're going to take this and you're going to start braiding. And this, you're going to separate this hair over here, away. So you're going to braid this down to braid the other part of the braiding hair down. Then once you do that, you're going to take this hair, you're going to twirl it and bring it under. And then you're going to braid. And y'all, if I keep moving my doll heads because I'm applying pressure. Then you want to do the same thing. I'm going to see if I can make this tighter. It's already tight. Okay. So put it through this finger. Bring it under your pointy finger. Take this hair. Shoo it away. And then you're going to start braiding this one down. Then intertwine it and bring it back and braid. Then you're gonna do it again. Same process, repeat, under, braid, see, my mannequin head is like a little kid that just can't keep still. It's like you gotta, it's like you gotta pop her. Like, stop it, stop moving. Anyway, so do it again. Braid. Take the hair, intertwine, braid it down. I think I'm gonna twist her some. braid the hair down, shoo that hair away. Braid it. Intertwine. And then after that, if you feel like you added enough, just keep braiding down and then go on from there, and then just add some hair at the bottom. Because you feel like that your hair is getting too thick or thicker than the other at the end, just stop adding hair and just finish braiding it down, and then your remainder hair, just add it towards the end, basically. And you know, just braid it out. And this is how she should look. Let's see if I can get a close up. See, it's like opposite, so gotta move it this way. See? She look like that. Well, I'm gonna do another one. Okay. So we're gonna do one more, and then gonna part her. Now, I want to say if your braid end up, no, not your braid, your part end up being longer, you may have to use a few more pieces of hair, I will say. So we're just gonna part her. And then when you do feeding braids, you always want to make sure that you come out the part, because don't just part it out and then start braiding when you got a lot of knots in the part. So this is the last braid. I feel like I need to add a little more, I think. Or maybe I'm good. I think I'm good. We'll see how it turns. Okay. So again, separate like this. You separate your hair. 6 pieces. I may add a color to it. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna braid her. Braid her down just enough to where you feel like you're ready to add some hair. through the finger, underneath the nail. Shoo that away from the others. Start braiding it. Take it, intertwine, bring it under, braid. I'm gonna try to keep her head in the camera so you can see. Hopefully you can see because it's not that much light in here. Oh, I think I left some here. Okay. Let me bring it. Shoo it away. Braid. Twist, put in the braid. Bring down. So basically, just easy as 1, 2, 3. But like I said, if you want to start doing these, I suggest you practice for at least a whole month so you can get used to it. I'm gonna add color here just cause. And if you do want to add color here, it's the same thing. How you just add in here. There's no special techniques, it's just the same concept. That's why it's called feeding braid. Okay, I'm gonna show you her back. Okay, and that's how it should look. I ain't add no more hair to the end, but because it's a tutorial, so let me see. I can see, but yeah. So this is how you do feeding braids. I'm gonna take it